Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video, I would like to teach you a nice trick in Tableau. So what is it? Well, it's how you can have numeric fields in a pie chart. So the first thing we need to do, because it's numeric fields, it's harder for a pie chart. So once you have loaded your data, for me, it's an Naplan dataset. So I have my data here. It's an open source. I mean, you can find it. I found it in the Queensland Gov website. The Naplan here, it's I think for 2014. And I have it loaded. And then they do have girls and boy enrollments, and I want to display it on a pie chart. But the problem is that I will show it to you. I just do this because it's numeric fields. If I do pie chart, I create it here. Okay, I have girls now, but now if I grab boy, okay, so if I add it here as data, it won't work. Because it won't distinguish both of them. So if I do details, it's still part of the same value. So what you need to do in that case, you remove those two sums, and we have to use the measurement value. So once you loaded all of your data, you have this one from Tableau, and you drag it there, and there you just need to remove all of the data you don't need. So we remove this I don't need. However, that one, you see, that's one I need. Boy enrollment, and then that I don't need, and I need to look for girls enrollment. So that one, and then everything else I remove. Okay, I remove. Okay, so that's good. So now I will just remove that one. Oops. Remove this. Oops. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Oh yeah, filters. Yeah, let's keep it that one. Otherwise, we have everything. So we just excluded everything except boy enrollment and girls enrollment. And I create a bar chart. You see, now I have, so I just need to drag the measure values. So if we just remove, if I just remove this one, you see, that's our bar chart. So now the bar chart has measure values, what we dragged in there. And if I just duplicate this one to color, so I just do on Mac is Command and I drag it to duplicate. On Windows is Control and you drag it to color. And you see now I have both. Amazing. And I can change the color. So the color, I can use the color blind if I wish to. So, well, in this case, it won't be available. I will use the green. Well, green is not really color blind friendly, so maybe I will stick with gray. Perfect. Oh, didn't. It's not gray here. Okay, now it's gray. Oh, sometimes. Okay, now it's gray. Sometimes you select one, but actually the other one was picked up. You see? And now I want a label too. So I can do show marks. Okay, so I have the label there and the label there. That's nice. I can edit the text. So we just do 10 here. I will do bold, and I want the text to be white. Perfect. And somewhere on the internet, you will see that I will just change to entire view. So somewhere on the internet, you will see that you need to actually have like duplicate your chart to 2. So in our case, I would have like 2 pie chart. I will just move that one there. Yep. And that's the way to, like in our case, we would need to do, we have this one. If I do that one, I would need, you need to duplicate a column to be able to have a label on the pie chart, and then I will have to use the dual axis. That way, you see, like I duplicate my pie chart now. I have to. I just use zero sum. It could be zero average as well. It doesn't really matter. And then we say, yeah, on the second one, you need to write the label, and then you need to do dual axis and to have it again merged. But actually, you don't need that. I will show it to you. Much better and efficient, simpler way, especially to move the labels in the middle of the pie chart. So how? I will just, it's very simple actually. I will just need to drag it. So I drag it like this. See, I drag it. And that one again, I drag it. And now it makes sense. I want the text to be white. So we'll do again my changes I did before. Okay, so now it's there, you see. And if I want to also have the value, so the name, I need measure names. I drag it to, not to color, but to details. Okay, so now if I do measure name, measure values, that's good. So boy enrollments, girl enrollments, and if I just want on the label, yeah, I will have to change that, because at the moment by default you have boy and girls there. But you can also display, like if you wish, you can do measure names like this, apply, and you see here you will have boy enrollments and girl enrollments. And then if I want to display the values, I just do measure, it's like a variables here, measure values, and boom, it displays also. So yeah, that's it for this little video showing you how you can create efficiently a pie chart with a number, like starting by a integer, because you know when we have those kind of data, sometimes we don't really know, okay, should I convert it, should I change it, to be able to have a pie chart, because I cannot have like two entire number assembled as a pie chart, but actually you just use the measure names and measure values from Tableau. You remove all of the fields you don't need, and then thanks to this one and that one, we can have a beautiful pie chart in Tableau. And yeah, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you an amazing day.